Today we're going to be making some spaghetti bolognese. So I have gotten the most important part of the spaghetti bolognese in already. We've got the bacon. Yeah. Now we let all of this fry for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we add the meat. This is how it's looking. Let's add this now. With this all good, now we get the tomato stuff in, and now that we have put in all of the tomato stuff, it goes on low to simmer and goes for an hour and 15 minutes. I'm speeding up the process a little bit. Here is your finished product. Thank you.